Let's learn A to Z community places and what we do there. A is for aquarium. Fish need clean water and gentle watching. B is for bakery. Bread rises, bakes, and we buy fresh. C is for community center. Classes, crafts, and kindness.
D is for dentist. Checkups keep our teeth strong and bright.
E is for elementary school, where we read, make art, and grow smart. F is for firehouse. Firefighters trained to help. In real emergencies, we call 911. G is for grocery. Red apples, green veggies. Let's count to 2. H is for hardware store. Tools help us fix and build safely with grown-ups. I is for ice rink. Helmet on, tiny steps, glide, and balance. J is for juice shop. Fruit juice gives us vitamin power. K makes the #K sound. Cat, cheese, kangaroo. L is for library. Quiet voices, pick a book, and let's read. M is for museum. Press, watch, and learn new science. N is for nature center. Look, listen, and never disturb wildlife. O is for observatory. We watch space shows and learn about planets. P is for post office. Letters get sorted and travel to homes. Q is for quilt shop. Squares and triangles make cozy patterns. R is for recycling. Rinse, sort, and drop it in the right bin. S is for science center. Observe, test, and ask why. T is for train station. Stand behind the yellow line and wait safely. U is for urban farm. Plants need sun, soil, water, and care. V is for veterinary clinic. Vets check pets to keep them healthy. W is for water park. Walk, wait your turn, and splash safely. X is for X-ray. Pictures of bones help doctors help us. Y is for youth center. Sort colors, count 3, and take turns. Z is for zoo. Observe kindly. Never feed. Protect habitats. Let's keep learning places. Tap subscribe and explore with me.